So, we have been travelling around Tasmania for the last week, and today we arrived at the Granary at Richmond Hill. Now, isn't this amazing? This historical building is so beautiful. I cannot wait to show you guys inside, so let's take a look. Wow, guys. So when you step inside, it feels like you've stepped back in time. Just look at the stone on the walls. So obviously this is the original features, absolutely incredible. You've got this staircase that leads upstairs, but now this home has 3 bedrooms, 2 downstairs and 1 upstairs. So let's go and have a look at bedroom number 1. So bedroom number 1, you've got 2 single beds. Now you've got actually very high ceilings in here. I just love how charming it is. Love the stone, the character of the stone, but I love the way it's been decorated. So even though it's got history, it's quite modern and it's got beautiful finishes, as you can see here, including the bed heads. Now let's keep going and have a look at the master bedroom. So straight across the corridor, you come into your master bedroom. What do you guys think? Absolutely beautiful. It actually is huge. So it feels very airy and actually quite bright because you've got 1, 2, 3 doors. So you get that natural light coming in. Again, the high ceilings, the beautiful walls, so much detail. And then look at this, gorgeous bed head. I just love it. In front of me, there are 2 doors that open up into a massive garden. So you've got a lemon tree just around the corner there. So if you want to make your own lemonade, you can. All right, keep going into the ensuite. So we step, there's a couple of steps up here and then you're in your ensuite. Again, full of charm, because look at this vanity actually looks like it's an antique piece. On the left-hand side, we've got a shower, and on the right, you've got the toilet. But yes, look at this. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you can see the string through the camera, but look at this. That's so cool. All right, let's keep going. So just walking up this grand staircase, it actually, when you're downstairs and you look up, you can see this great void. So it really gives you an idea of how big this building is. You've got those beautiful stone features all the way. And then when you come upstairs, you've got this Tasmanian oak exposed beams. Stunning. All right. And this is the last bedroom. Take a look at this. I love the high ceiling. Actually, this is like got vaulted ceilings. Absolutely gorgeous. And then I have no idea what these were used for, but obviously this is part of the original building. Look at this. Got these windows that lead out, and when you take a look through there, you can actually see how thick the stone is. So this is a solid home. Beautiful. So you've got a large bedroom. They've got a queen-size bed here, and then around the corner, they've managed to fit another bed, so a single bed. Then you've got your own little balcony that leads outside. So what do you guys think? Can you live here? I sure can. All right. Let's go through. So across this side, you have another space, which is I suppose it's a little living area, but the main features, it's got the guest bathroom through here. And just in case you want to go and have a shower, you've got your own pillars here, very grand. So super large shower with your sky windows through there, and a vintage vanity too. Let's keep going. Now this is what I find spectacular. So upstairs you have all this. I mean, look at the exposed beams, beautiful. So you've got, it's all open plan living. So you've got your TV area, sitting area, your dining, your kitchen, you've got your fireplace, and I honestly wish that you could be standing right next to me because it feels so open and so large, and I know that on camera you can never get the feel of how large the space is. Beautiful high ceilings, and then you've got these gorgeous windows through here. This is huge. They've just retained the character of this home and brought it back to life. And it feels luxurious, but it still feels like a cottage. So you've got your dining table here and your cottage kitchen, which we all dream about, having a little window in the kitchen overlooking your outdoor area or your very, very large garden area. And then to finish the tour off, I just want you guys to come outside because you have a beautiful balcony overlooking your garden. And that's it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.